Hey everybody, I'm excited to share with you two incredible products that have become a staple in my self-care routine. It is the Norwex Body Balm and the Rescue Gel. These two products are perfect for anyone who wants to soothe, hydrate, and refresh your skin naturally. All right, let's talk about the body balm first. This is a lotion bar, y'all. It does not melt in the car. It is a rich multi-purpose balm that is your go-to for dry, rough skin, and it's not greasy, y'all. It's packed with nourishing ingredients like organic shea butter, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, and they deeply hydrate and protect your skin. So you can use this on your cracked heels, elbows, dry cuticles. This balm even works wonders, not even, but it works wonders to soften and restore and moisturize. I even use it on my legs. I don't like that greasy film, and I worry about the harmful ingredients in most standard body lotions with all those stinky synthetic fragrances, right? So this is my go-to. I absolutely love it. Now let's talk about the Rescue Gel. This is an absolute lifesaver when you need quick tension release from stress, discomfort, sore muscles. This gel is infused with a blend of natural botanicals like arnica, devil's claw, aloe vera, which helps soothe and calm sore, tired muscles. It contains a refreshing mix of menthol, camphor. It provides a cooling sensation. It smells amazing. It's perfect for stress relief on a go. It feels so good on your temples. Smells so good. A little bit on your temple, your back of your neck, anywhere you feel tension, to have it instantly go away. Got a cooling feel, and it's got a roller ball. It is soothing, it has soothing botanicals that work to relax and rejuvenate. It is a must-have in your self-care kit, okay? So if you are looking for natural, effective ways to care for your skin, battle those dry spots, relieve stress, the Norwex Body Balm and the Rescue Gel are absolute must-haves for your skin. Thanks, everybody. Bye.